after that,
makiaria na andiki a mohoro ngwatanĩro ya acori a manyũmba mainjinia na masavea nĩ moretie thirikari ĩtĩkĩre gwethera a Kenya kĩhonia gĩa kũnina mĩtino ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkĩoneka mahinda kwa mahinda ya mĩtino ya nyũmba kũmomoka, makiuga thirikari yagĩrĩirwo kũruta mũigua na mahira na no ĩkire ũguo o kuma wabici iria iheanaga marũa nyũmba icio igĩakwo.
We cannot do everything. The government has a critical role to play. The Cabinet Secretary of Lands has her agencies under her. Can Borax today tell us why we have quacks working out there? What is it going to take to remove all those unregistered professionals who are not capacity building, who are not investing in what needs to be done right?
Being done. So what we are asking for, it's not a new thing. We're just saying that, for example, Nairobi must release that portal. And then you'll get shocked that all those projects are being done by very few consultants. These few consultants have been bought by developers and they are colluding with county officials to make sure that everyone else doesn't do the job. And why is that? It's all about money.
Nĩ maheanĩte ndeto ya kũmakania atĩ to mũthĩ ũyũ kũngĩgĩa gĩthingithia kĩnene nyũmba nyingĩ Nairobi tingĩhota gwĩtiria mũkũringana na ũthuthuria merĩga gwĩka itiakĩtwo igakinyanĩria ikĩro nĩ ũndũ wa ũkoroku wa ciaki.
The National Building Inspectorate took a sample of about 15,000 buildings and they told us only 15% of those buildings they inspected were safe. Just a sample. And about 8% were fair. So you're talking about the whole lot of the others being unsafe buildings.
Any developer can build anything anywhere. Zero plan. As long as you have some money, you go and get an approval for anything anywhere. You can build even a house in between two industries that are removing black smoke.
Rĩu marenda arĩa othe mekũnyitikana na mahĩtia makinyũkĩrio makinya marũmu ma watho makĩũria mũingĩ ũhĩmbĩrie ũndũire wa kwandĩka acori a nyũmba na mainjinia makinyanĩirie ikĩro.
NCA, the National Construction Authority, blacklist all contractors who have issues. Make it public. Let us know who are those directors. Can KEBS give us, certifications of building materials so that we are sure what we recommend is what is actually going to be used on site.
Maya magĩthiaga na mbere mwĩrĩ wa mũndũ wa kerĩ ũrĩa warutirwo nyũmba-inĩ South Sea nĩ ũthikĩtwo, famĩlĩ na arata makĩũria thirikari ĩtigĩrĩre kĩhoto nĩ kĩoneka. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.